Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML. And right now we will be discussing about HTML forms. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about HTML versus XHTML. I will advise if you can watch that tutorial and then after that you can follow along because we discussed about some little tricks in it that will be useful in the future. You can just search HTML versus XHTML in our playlist. You are going to see a full playlist dedicated to it. So let's continue our discussion. Right now we'll be discussing about HTML forms. HTML form is used to collect user information, user input, user data, and so on and so forth. HTML form is used to do what? To collect user input. The user input is most often sent to a server for processing. HTML form is used to collect user input, informations, data, a lot of things, any details. The HTML form is used to collect user input, whatever, anything the user want to type, anything the user want to write. We use HTML forms to collect it. The user input is most often sent to a server for processing. So in the future, I'm going to explain how this works along. So this is where I want to stop right here. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name. Bye bye and to the next.